Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I wanted to show you guys a trick to spruce up your Valentine's makeup, and it has to do with tape. Yes, I got just some gift wrapping tape here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a heart into our cheek. You can add this heart into your cheek, into your eye makeup, into whatever. So what you do is you just take a regular piece of tape and you fold it like that. Now, when you fold it, you don't make sure, you see how there's a gap right there? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some scissors, right? And you're just going to shape out a heart. Now this is a lot, it's like arts and crafts today. There is my heart. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna peel it off, and don't drop it like what I just did. Peel it off, and there's gonna be like a little gap to open it. So I already opened my other little heart that I have here. It is opened already, and I'm just gonna add this right here into the little cheek area. And we're just gonna push this down on top of our makeup. Now you can put a blush on top of this. I already have my blush on, so all I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a nice, bright highlighter right over this. So I'm just gonna get my brush here, swirl it around into my highlighter, and check this out. So I'm just going to apply it like I normally would. Now you can put this up here in the eye area, above the eye. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna take it off. I'll do that side later. Anyways, okay, so check this out. So what you do is you just grab, if I can grab it, grab the tape, pull it off, and isn't that cute? See? Get close up. You guys can see I have a tiny little heart. Now, I think that personally I should have made the heart a little bit smaller. It is quite difficult to peel the heart off the tape, but that is just a quick little way to kind of spruce up your makeup. You can put the heart here, you can put the heart here, wherever you want on your face. But it's kind of a nice little way to say Happy Valentine's, whether I have a Valentine's or not. But it's just a way to celebrate Valentine's. And remember, Valentine's is not always meant to be for like if you have a partner, if you have a husband, a boyfriend, whatever. Remember, Valentine's Day and a lot of other places is also a celebration of friendships. So I'm sharing this tip with you guys because I consider you guys my friends, and I think that I'm sending my love to you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you could, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Oh, and hit that subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.